Hey everyone, it's Mr. Greenwood again with another tutorial video. I want to give you Algebra 2 folks a chance to see the work we did in class today, again, in case you didn't quite get all that. So I know a couple of the biggest things were dealing with order of operations. So I want to give you an example problem here, like you can see on my screen, to go through. So remembering our order of operations, which is PEMDAS. I'll type that up here just as a quick reminder. PEMDAS, okay. So that means parentheses, exponents, multiplication or multiply, divide, add, subtract. Okay. And so remember that PEMDAS, that's important as we go through this, right? So let's get started. So I see I've got a subtract sign here, so that's going to be in this add and subtract. Just as a reminder here on these orders, parentheses happens 1, exponents happens 2. These two happen at the same time, working left to right. And these two happen at the same time, working left to right. So we do our parentheses first, our exponents second, we multiply and divide from left to right third, and we add subtract from left to right fourth. So there's nothing in this parentheses I can combine because 5x and 2 are not like terms. And so it's important to remember there that we cannot add or subtract like terms. We can only multiply them. Okay? Like terms have the same exponent to the same power. Can't add or subtract unlike terms. Okay? Just as a quick reminder there. See if I can drag this guy down. Okay? So just remember that as well. That is important also. Okay, so what we'll do then is we will start working this problem. So we are going to look for multiplication, and we know that this parenthesis means multiply, so we're going to do our double distribution or a single distribution. So our 4 just comes down because we're not dealing with that yet. And I know that negative 7 times 5x is negative 35. Oh, hold on, 35, not 7. There we go. Negative 35x. And then negative 7 times positive 2 is negative 14. Okay, and this got asked in class. This negative goes with the 7. They kind of go together. That sign to the left of it goes with it. If there's no sign in front of it or to the left, we assume it's positive. Okay, so now we're going to look at like terms. So I know that the 4 and the 14, or negative 14, are both constants. So they don't have any like terms with them. The negative 35x, let's make that look like a 35 so we don't get confused later. There we go. It's the only term with an x. So I'm going to put my terms with variables first. So we have negative 35x. And then with our constants, we have 4 minus 14, and that's negative 10. And so that's our solution. There's another example of equivalent expressions with an example problem. I hope you all have a good one, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Bye.